Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the mic and making one quick test take. This sets your baseline. Once done, choose 44. 1 or 48K HZ and 24-bit for quality versus file size, and enable Phantom if using a condenser. Make sure to set input gain so peaks sit about 6 dB below clipping. This preserves headroom. Next, position the mic 3 to 12 inches from the source depending on proximity effect, and record a short test to verify tone and level. You now focus on routing and monitoring so performance feels immediate. Arm the track, enable input monitoring, and check latency. Lower buffer for live monitoring, then raise it if CPU strain appears. Once comfortable, use punch-in or loop record for multiple takes, and name each take clearly to speed editing. Make sure autosave is active and that you record to a dedicated drive to avoid dropouts. This prevents corrupted files and keeps your session organized for quick. You complete by choosing the best takes, trimming tails, and consolidating clips into continuous files for delivery. Export masters as WAV or AIF at the session sample rate, and create compressed MP3 previews for quick sharing. Add basic metadata like title and artist before exporting so files are identifiable. Finally, copy the session and exports to an external drive or cloud storage to secure your work. If you encounter noise or clipping, check gain staging first and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.